Welcome to our first tutorial video. In this video, you will learn how to use CADdrive to centralize product-related data and processes. Here we have CADdrive.org. On CADdrive.org, you can find information about main functions of CADdrive, design repositories, design revisions, WebXR-enabled Explorer, issue and time management. Understand why and for which audience we created it. Meet our team of developers. It also provides some recent news on CADdrive development. CADdrive itself runs on CADdrive.com. When entering CADdrive, you get the screen with the overview of projects. You can switch between two tabs, public and private. Clicking on Private, you can see only your own products that you made invisible for the rest. Clicking on Public, you can see the list of products that are visible to everybody on the platform, even if they are not registered. For each project, you see the latest 3D model, the name of a project with a short description, a number of versions and issues, a number of members participating, and an icon representing an owner of a project. You can delete your project clicking on the black cross on the right. Let's take a closer look at the project of a self-sufficient glass house. If you go to Versions and scroll down, you will see documented all the stages of development of the product, from the very first version with only the foundation of the glass house to the final model with the shed and solar panels. Each version has its code and name. Next to each name, you can see names of responsible for each revision participants. On the right, you can see the 3D model itself and its tree. The system allows you to interact with the model so that you can rotate it, zoom in and zoom out, and select parts. There is also an opportunity to download the 3D model. If you go to Issues, you see all the tasks performed and opened. It is a project leader who can create a task, for example, to design a shed for the glass house. He also sets a date, a milestone, when the results have to be delivered and assigns people responsible for the task. CADdrive enables to upload to the chat the deliveries in different formats, for example, in PDF or PowerPoint. If you go to Milestones, you can track time of a task. Here you see which tasks are open or closed and evaluate the progress of working. To see the details, you can go to a particular sprint and see the list of open and closed issues. You can find the deliveries provided by team members for every issue. For example, you can download the presentation with the results of mechanical simulation and figure out whether the walls are strong enough to support the roof. In addition, here in the chat, team members can have a real-time interaction with each other. In the tab Members, you see the list of the people who have the permission to work on the project. Clicking on New Member, you can invite people to your team and give them different roles. In the tab Settings, you can change the name and the description of the project or make it private or public so it is visible to everybody on the platform. Now you know how to use CADdrive as a project management tool. In our next video, you will learn how to sign up and create your first product in CADdrive.